Chapter 3 Major Benefits of the TLC Diet. Are you starting to think the TLC diet is for you? Well, if so, then take a look at the major benefits if you decide to follow this way of eating. Number 1, easy to follow. The diet is simple and easy to follow. There are no special kinds of food that you need to cook. There's no need to learn a new recipe. You don't need to buy special and expensive ingredients. The diet is simple, straightforward, and inexpensive. The meals are easy to prepare. Since you don't need to strictly follow a specific meal plan, you have the freedom to modify the recipes per what is available for you. Since this diet will allow you to modify your meals, it is also possible to adjust it if you are vegetarian or if you want to be gluten-free. The important thing is to learn how to eat generally within the guidelines of the diet. Once you know and understand the basic principles which make the diet so effective, it will undoubtedly be much easier for you to modify the diet in accordance with your individual needs. Number 2, it is proven effective. The diet is healthy and proven effective. The effects of the TLC diet are long-term. This is because rather than providing a quick fix solution to the problem, the TLC diet encourages positive changes in a person's lifestyle. The true secret of maintaining a healthy lifestyle is knowing how to keep eating healthy and how to continue exercising for a long time. Rather than a race, think of health as a marathon. It cannot be rushed, and it must be taken slowly but surely. Number 3, educates people. The TLC diet actually educates people. With the TLC diet, a person is made aware of what he or she should eat and drink. A person learns how to choose what is healthy. This means knowing how to shop for healthy items, how to read labels, and how to prepare meals in a healthy way. A person will also know how to compute how much saturated fat he or she is recommended to consume. Unlike some other diets, you will not be told what you should eat in every single meal. Therefore, it is up to a person to choose his or her meals according to what he or she learns. Well, those are just a few of the main benefits gained by following the principles of the TLC diet. In the next part, we will look more specifically at what to eat and how to get your proper nutrients in.